Hi everyone, today I will show you Instagram feed WordPress plugin. So let's just begin. So in this video we will learn to embed our Instagram feed on our WordPress website. Okay, so first of all we have to go inside the plugin and we have to add a new plugin here. Okay, so now you have to search for social feed, and as you can see the plugin here, social feed gallery by Quad Layers. So you have to install this plugin. And now we have to activate this plugin. And as you can see here that our plugin is activated. Okay, so now we have to go inside the social feed gallery. Okay, so in the social feed gallery, you have to go inside the accounts. Alright, so as you can see here in the account, we have the two buttons, add personal account and add business account. I just want to add my personal account here. So I will just simply add the personal account here. And then it will go to your Instagram account and it will ask for the permissions. Okay, so now what you need to do, you have to allow. Okay, so as you can see here, I have added my personal account to the social feed gallery. Okay, so now what we need to do, we just have to go inside the feeds. And in the feeds, what you need to do, you have to click on the feed and you have to click on the account. So you have to select the account here, that is Johnny Bravo. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the two options in the feed, the username and the hashtag, and below that we have the gallery carousel. Okay, so how we want to present our Instagram feed on our WordPress website, whether it should be the gallery or the carousel. But right now I will just simply go with the default value, which is the gallery. So I will simply save here. And what I need to do, I will just simply copy this shortcode and I will go to the pages here. And from here I just want to add the Instagram feed on the Elementor page. So I will just simply click on the add with Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here that we are inside our WordPress page. So I just have to remove this from here. Okay, so now what I need to do, I have to search for shortcode here. Okay, so let's just click on the shortcode and it will be added to our web page. Okay, so what I need to do, I will just simply paste our shortcode here and I will just click on the apply. Okay, so now I just have to update our web page. Okay, so the web page is updated. Okay, so now let's just click on the button here and click on the view page and let's just go to our page here and you will be able to see my Instagram feed on my WordPress website. Alright, so this is how you can add the Instagram feed on your WordPress website. Alright, as you can see the images here, and if I go to my account, as you can see that we have the same images here. And we can also customize the layout of our Instagram feed here. So I'll just go back to the dashboard, exit. Okay, so now I have to go inside the social feed gallery. And from here I will be able to customize my Instagram feed. So I have to click on the feeds and you have to click on the edit here. And from here I can change the layout of our Instagram feed from gallery to the carousel. And these other options are actually available in the premium version of this plugin. And we also have the other options such as the profile. Okay, we also have the carousel and box, image card, image model, button and button load more. Okay, so some of these options are the part of the premium version, but some of the options are also available in the free version as well. So you can play around with these values. So I'll just go back to the general and save the settings. And the layout of our Instagram feed would have been changed into the carousel. So let me just refresh this page and we would have our Instagram feed in the carousel layout. Alright, so now you can see that we have our Instagram feed in the carousel layout. Alright, so this is how we can embed our Instagram feed in our WordPress website. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.